Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on clearing the search history on the Kindle Paperwhite. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. When in a book, tap on the top portion of the screen to open the options. Then tap the search icon in the top right. Here you can tap Clear History in the top right to clear your search history. You can also clear the history from the home page of the Kindle. To do this, tap the search bar at the top of the page and then tap Clear History in the top right. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Kindle tips and tricks.